Hello fellow creatives, you are welcome to this channel. A world of creativity, fun and interesting updates. On this episode, we'll be having a simple tutorial on fascinator making using a boning. So this is what we literally call the bias, of which I wrapped my headband and boning with. So let's get started. So I have a cutout of my boning, which is about 15 to 20 inches, of which I have about 6 to 7 strips of it. So depending on how many you would like, you just have to cut off the various sizes. And we know this process of wrapping up our boning. I think it is done in our previous videos. We do this to get a circular form, of which we use for different designs. Example, we have that of a ring fascinator. We get about 2, 4, 5 pieces of this, join them together to form a fascinator. You can also use a paper tape to join them together before wrapping it up. So you do whatever is convenient to you. At the end of the day, we all achieve the same results. I also have this piece of millinery wire, of which I also wrapped with the bias. Okay, I just curled it to get this form. So whatever shape it is, you just have to curl to get the shape. So what we are doing next is to attach our millinery wire to our headband. This fascinator is literally made without any pattern or any form of drafting. Okay, so whatever we achieve is what comes out of the mind. Back to our work, I have about 5 to 6 pieces of our circular boning wrapped, and I want to attach it to our band, okay, to have a design. The idea was literally to get something in the form of a pumpkin or globe. Okay, so I just thought of putting it in this very form as to how to achieve that. Okay, we are more used to the ring fascinator type, and I just want to see a couple of other design, and I'm hoping to see that from various millionaires, just looking up into the internet to get that. As I always say, you cannot see how creative or skillful you are until you keep practicing, keep on believing, keep on doing your best, and your best will come out beautifully. So back to the work. As we all know, our finishing is very important. The finishing makes the work more presentable, it makes it neat, it makes it attractive. So after whatever you do, you have to also think about the finishing. You can add any form of embellishment to this, whether the feathers, whatever you think is appropriate or beautiful, you just attach it to it. Make sure you cover every sewing, patches, any stain, whatsoever. Just make your work neat, and that's it. You are good to go. Hey, but don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button, like, comment, and please subscribe for more updates, because I got good content for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this.
Goodbye.